Hello, friends. You're all welcome to today's class. It's nice to be with you once again. Okay. Now, before we start, I would like to have us think a little. Sometimes we take our phone, okay, and then we go to Messenger or WhatsApp Messenger, any of the messengers, and then we type a message and send it, and it is delivered. Now, often we should ask, have you ever asked yourself that, how is this working? How is it that I have typed something and somebody else in the, let's say in the UK or in another part of the planet easily gets it within seconds sometimes? Okay. Now the reason why is because that computer that you are sending to, okay, and the one you have with you, they are connected in a network. That's why we'll be looking at computer network. Okay, we'll be looking at computer network today, and let's see why and how your messages are delivered easily. Okay, now at the end of today, we should be able to define computer network. Okay, list types of network. Okay, there are different types of computer network, and also state the advantages and uses of computer network. Okay, before we even go further, I believe you know so many uses of the computer network because I already talked about us being able to send message. Now let's look at it. Like I said, the topic is computer network. Now, a computer network is a group of computers connected together. Okay, they must be connected together either by cables or wireless connection. Okay, so you can connect computers by cables or wireless connection. Now, a computer network can also be defined as the connection of two or more computing devices to enable them communicate with one another. Take note of this here. I said a computer network can also be defined as the connection of two or more computing devices. Okay, when you connect two or more computers together so that they can communicate with one another. This is the key word here, communicate. You can see the word highlighted in yellow here. Communicate with one another. That is why they are connected. Now, if you look at this last definition, they say computers connected with one another can share resources like data, printers. Okay, so if, for example, if you have two computers and you have only one printer in the house and you want the two computers to be using that one printer, so before they can do that, you have to connect them or put them in a network. That's why it is said that a computer network is defined as the connection of two or more computers in order to make them communicate with each other. Now let's look at this picture here. Okay, can you see this computer? If you notice well, this computer is sad. And look at this one, it is also sad. Why are they sad? Now let's read. Hello there. Can you hear me? I don't think so. Now this computer is trying to communicate with this second computer here. Okay, this one says, oh, why won't anyone talk to me? Because they are isolated. Now the next thing you look at is, are they connected? No. That's the reason why they cannot communicate with each other. Okay, now let's go to the next page. And let's have them connected. If we have a cable now, this is the connection cable running from here to here. They are now connected. Now this computer that has a printer is now saying, now that we are connected, you can hear me, or can you hear me? I would love to share my printer with you. Yes, I can hear you. Also, I would love to share your printer. Now, the reason why they can communicate with each other is because they are connected. Now, this is the cable that is used to connect them. Okay? Now, since these computers are connected, they can easily use this printer that is connected to this computer A. Okay, now let's go to the next one. You can see computers, when connected, can share file. Okay, like look at computer 1 here. Can you see computer 1? It can share file or transfer files to computer 2. Now, mind you, you can use a cable or you can use a wireless network. Okay, remember we said computers can be connected either by wireless or cable connections. Now, we have types of computer networks. Since we know what computer networks do, they connect computer, they are used to make computers communicate with one another. Now we have different types of computer network. There are three main types though, they are all grouped into three. One is the local area network. Okay, local area network. There are three main types of computer network. One, local area network. Two, metropolitan area network. Three, wide area network. Now let's look at them in details. Local area network is a network or connection involving computers in the same office, room or building. Okay, so if you have computers, like 3 or more computers connected and they are all situated in the same room or the same office or in the same building, we call them local area network. Okay, now metropolitan area network, this is a large network that connects computer in larger area than local area network. Okay, for example, computers connected within a city, we call that metropolitan area network. While the third type of network, we have wide area network, which most of us are already using but we are not aware. Now let's look at it together. Wide area network is a network or connection of computers located at longer distances. In wide area network, computers and equipment in several buildings, sites and different locations are interconnected. Okay, an example is the international network, which is also called the internet. Now, most of us have been using the internet and we don't know that it's also called wide area network. It's a type of wide area network. Now you know. Okay, so the internet is an example of wide area network. Okay, remember, like I said, we have local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Now let's look at network topology. Network topology simply refers to how computers are arranged in a network. That's just what it means. How do you arrange them? That's what computers mean. Okay, since you want to connect them to share resources, but how do you arrange them? We have the ring network, the bus network, the star network, and the mesh network. Let's look at how it looks. Let's see how they look like. Now, this one here is the star network. Can you see the star network? Because it's arranged like a star. Okay, you can see that. This here is a bus network. Okay, this is the mesh network or topology. Okay, mesh network topology, and this is the ring topology. You can see it going round. All these computers are going round. Okay, that's why we call them the ring topology. Okay, now don't forget, I'll go back again. We have the ring network, bus network, star network, and mesh network topology. So we have them here. Now, benefits of computer network. Now, it makes communication easy or easier. Yes, I'm able to communicate this note to you now with the ease of computer network. Okay, if not for computer network, I wouldn't have been able to send you this particular material. So it makes communication easy. Also, communication with your friends. Mom or dad can easily take their phone and send a message to their friends to communicate with their friends. And it's easier that way. Now, it makes it possible for many users to share resources like printer. Yes, okay. For example, you hear people say, oh, please put on your hotspot. Okay, let me connect and use data from your phone. So when they are connected, they are able to share that data. That means they are in a network. Okay, so the network makes it easier for us to share resources like printers and data. Now, it makes it possible to send and receive electronic messages. Yes, I know you have sent an electronic message before, or you have seen someone send an electronic message. Okay, and you type the message and the message is delivered almost immediately. Okay, so it's a computer network makes this readily available, makes it possible. Now people can work from anywhere they are without having to sit together in the same office. This is made possible by computer network. For example, I am able to teach you now, but you are not together with me in the ICT lab or in the classroom. Now this is made possible because of computer network. Okay, now we have so many advantages of computer network. What you will do for me, when you have your assignment, you are going to send them to me, okay? And then I will look at them and see how they are, what you have written, okay? Now, since we are done with the videos, I will advise you to watch the video again before you go to the task or assignment that is being given. Take care of yourself, okay? Stay safe, okay? Now remember to click the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now